Thank you for joining us tonight. Now, the fate of the 416 members of parliament now lies before 5 High Court judges who will now hear and determine several critical petitions challenging Chief Justice David Maraga's advisory for dissolution of parliament. Murimi Mwangi reports on the task that now awaits the 5-judge bench and explains why the case will be closely watched within legal and political circles.
The 5 High Court judge bench will comprise Justices George Odunga, Lydia Chode, James Makau, Anthony Ndongo, and Pauline Nyamweya. Now tasked to hear a petition filed by one Lain Nakonchela and Abdullah Mansour, challenging Chief Justice David Maraga September 21st advisory to President Uhuru Kenyatta to dissolve Parliament over its failure to enact the not more than 2/3 gender law. Maraga would ideally have been the one to constitute the bench, but having been listed as a respondent in the suit, his deputy Philomena Mwilu took up the task. This development comes only days after the Law Society of Kenya's campaign for Kenyans to occupy Parliament to pile pressure on Kenyatta to heed Maraga's advisory flopped. Yet a strenuous task awaits the bench, beginning with a likely consolidation of the petition alongside another filed by the Parliamentary Service Commission and a separate suit filed by Mathare legislator Anthony Oluoch, both challenging Maraga's advisory. In a separate petition before the High Court, Attorney General Kihara Kariuki accuses Maraga of disregarding critical public interest in his advisory and the fact that there exists no legal framework for dissolution of Parliament. Maraga's bombshell is the culmination of what has appeared as disinterest of Parliament to enact the critical law, with all attempts to enact bills enforcing the gender parity law flopping in both the National Assembly and the Senate over lack of quorum. While delay tactics is a potential survival strategy for Parliament, the seriousness of the task at hand piles pressure on the bench to expedite the hearing and determination of the matter. Murimi Mwangi, KTN News in Nairobi.
Definitely a story to follow up on now.